Machine learning is a challenging but rewarding field to learn. With hard work and dedication, you can reach a professional level and make a real impact in the world. If you're interested in learning more about machine learning, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content. Hey there, future data wizards! Welcome back to Learn to Profit. Today, we're diving into the fascinating realm of machine learning. If you've ever wondered how to kickstart your journey in this exciting field, you're in the right place. Stick around as we unveil the secrets to mastering machine learning from scratch to pro. Happy Shop is the sponsor of the video. Your one-stop shop for everything you need and love. Discover the latest gadgets, appliances, and tech accessories to enhance your digital life, fashion. Stay on top of the hottest trends with our curated selection of clothing, shoes, and accessories, gifts. Find the perfect presents for your loved ones. Whether it's a birthday surprise, a holiday gift, or just a special gesture, experience the Happy Shop difference. Shopping should be enjoyable. You can get the link of the Happy Shop in the description. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that deals with the ability of machines to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. It is used in a wide variety of applications, including image recognition, natural language processing, and predictive analytics. To start learning machine learning, you'll need some basic knowledge of programming, mathematics, and statistics. You'll also need to be able to work with datasets and be comfortable with using software tools like Python and R. Required basic knowledge and skills. Programming. You'll need to have a basic understanding of programming concepts like variables, data types, loops, and conditional statements. Python is a popular programming language for machine learning. Mathematics. You'll need to have some familiarity with linear algebra, calculus, and statistics. These subjects provide the foundation for understanding machine learning algorithms. Data analysis. You'll need to be able to work with datasets, including cleaning, pre-processing, and analyzing data. You should also be familiar with data visualization techniques. Software tools. You'll need to be comfortable with using software tools like Python, R, and SQL. These tools are used for data analysis, machine learning modeling, and deployment. Hands-on projects. The best way to solidify your knowledge is through hands-on projects. Work on real-world problems, participate in Kaggle competitions, and build your own machine learning models. Practical experience is key. Explore advanced topics. As you progress, explore advanced topics like neural networks, natural language processing, and reinforcement learning. Stay curious and continuously challenge yourself. The more you explore, the deeper your understanding will become. Tips to reach a professional level. Start with the basics. Make sure you have a solid understanding of the fundamental concepts of machine learning before moving on to more advanced topics. Dive into Python. Python is the language of choice in the machine learning world. Learn the ropes of Python, understand its syntax, and explore libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and scikit-learn. These tools will be your companions on this journey. Explore data science. Data is the fuel for machine learning. Delve into the world of data science. Learn how to collect, clean, and pre-process data. Visualization tools like Matplotlib and Seaborn will help you make sense of the numbers. Choose your learning path. Machine learning has various branches: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, deep learning, and more. Understand the differences and choose a path that aligns with your interests. This will guide your focus and make your learning journey more efficient. Practice with real-world data. There are many resources available online and in libraries that provide you with real-world data sets to practice your skills. Participate in online forums and communities. There are many online forums and communities where you can connect with other machine learning learners and experts. Contribute to open source projects. Contributing to open source machine learning projects is a great way to gain experience and learn from others. Network with professionals in the field. Attend industry events and conferences to network with professionals in the field of machine learning. Congratulations! You've laid the groundwork for your machine learning journey. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent, practice regularly, and keep learning. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more insightful content, and let us know in the comments what topics you'd like us to cover next. Until next time, happy learning!